welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period. Okay, yo, I realized I did not do an intro to this video, so the intro is now. Okay, so I'm on the phone, but I'm going to Dallas, yo. I'm going to Dallas tomorrow, and nothing is packed. Nothing. We're going on a road trip. Okay, a little family mini vacay, literally a quick trip, 48 hours in Dallas, whatever. It's gonna be me, my sister, her churn, the twins, Kaylee and Ken, and my grandma, and my sister. If I didn't say my sister coming too. And my auntie is turning 90, y'all. That is like a blessing. Longevity, good health, long life in my family, period. God is good. So she's turning 90 and we're just going out there because she's having like a little party, little get together, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, nothing is packed and I leave like tomorrow, so I have to pack and all that. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because these videos are coming back to back. Alright, y'all, I look super crazy, but I'm tired. It is currently, what time it is, y'all? It's currently 10:39 and it feels like 2:39, but I just packed everything up. I had to get up at 7 hours, y'all. Like, not even 7, less than that. So I'm gonna just tell y'all what I got. Okay, my like road clothes, chill clothes, you know, if we want to go down, get some breakfast or go to breakfast or something, clothes I could just slip on. I got like t-shirts, sweatpants, all that. Alright, underclothes, night clothes, and socks. Alright, I moved the camera for a better angle, but I have my socks because I'm not walking on no dirty hotel floor. Like, it's just not giving it. My night clothes, underclothes, you know, bras, drawers, panties, whatever y'all be saying. I also have to do my hair when I'm out there because I do not have the strength to do it right now. So I don't know if I want to wear my middle part curly wig and I might blow it out because I have another curly wig. So I think I might want to blow it out, you know, blow it out long, middle part wig. I don't know. So I'm taking it just in case. Taking it because I don't know if I want to keep this wig on, reinstall this wig, put the curly wig on, or I have a like medium length wig. You know, we got options over here, baby, options. Like, cause my lace is just kind of is doing a fool, but I'm gonna get me together. I don't know how all this gonna fit in this bag, cause I'm not bringing no suitcase. So this is my little overnight bag, y'all. I'm not bringing no suitcase. Like, it's just, that's just doing too much. I don't feel like doing all that. I have a couple pair of regular clothes, jeans, top, sets, stuff like that. That's just gonna tuck right here. Shoes, sandals, and my shoes is not going where my clothes are. They have a zipper part. I want to put in my shoes, cause yeah. My shoes are in this little zipper part. And y'all look at this my cute little travel hygiene bag. I have pads, tampons, Lysol, Band-Aids, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, floss, everything, my perfume, all my essentials, literally all my essentials are in here. You know, because I gotta stay fresh and so clean. And this is gonna have to be in a separate bag. Just hair stuff. Like, yo, let me show y'all. I have foundation, wax stick, scissors, got to be glue, the edge brush, the tweezers, all that in here. I have a flat iron, blow dryer, got to be spray, heat protectant, wine curl, a brush, and like my lashes, lash glue, all that is in here. And all that is in here. Now I'm gonna just have to carry this because obviously this can't fit in this bag. So, y'all, the bag just ripped. I gotta double it. But yeah, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Alright, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, Jesus, for another day. We up and at 'em. As y'all can see, we in a car. It's 6:20. I got up at like, I literally had to set like 50 million alarms this morning, but I got up at like 5. Y'all hear Kylie? Pay attention to that thing. But y'all, all the gang back there.
Back, can't get any back with another.
Girl, shut up. That's Kai. She ain't a head comb. Watch out,
Kaylee back there.
That's Riley right there. That's Kaylee stretched out somewhere. Bags on top of bags. Baby, I don't know how, baby, we gon' make it. Because the car is cluttered. My sister pumping gas. We about to get my grandma. And we about to be on the road. So, yeah.
In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me, nobody else had a clue. What I could do, what I could do. But bottom out of love, bottom out of trust, bottom out of dick. Bottom out of slap me up, they don't know how to fit. Bottom out of love, play, bottom out of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart. So, feel it in my body feels like I got you to know.
Several song-filled hours later.
Yo, I just look like the road. I look so tore up and so down, but y'all, we made it to Dallas. It's like 5 o'clock, and we just made it here. Like, all that time, no. But I'm in Walmart, gotta find Ken some shoes, and I have to get a hot comb because my hot comb broke, and it broke at the most randomest time. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna update y'all when we get back to the room and all that. Y'all know I got you. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the hotel. Gotta give y'all a room tour. This is our bathroom.
Hey, y'all.
We checked in already, you know, a toilet, a tub, all that.
And we gotta set this some refrigerator.
Alright, y'all, this our little mini kitchen. This our mini kitchen, a microwave, the refrigerator. Y'all gonna hear everybody. Yo, this is our bed. That's my grandma over there, my sister over there. Kennedy right here. Got a full body mirror, period. You know, this our little 85 inch flat screen, 85 inch flat screen TV. Our table. She eating, y'all. The beds. And y'all know, if y'all know, y'all know, I gotta have a view, period. So that is our little room tour. The lamp, we eating chicken and all that. how big this Hesto is. Like, it look like a whole Walmart. Like, oh my god. This is really a big old Hesto. Yo, oh my god. This is so big.
I wasn't with it. We won't know what time to speak.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Drive me a dessert. Nothing that be lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never.
Yo, I look of hotness. I just got out the tub. I just got out the tub. Ooh, it's currently 10:46. So I'm sorry I couldn't really talk that much because baby, it was a lot. Like the road trip, it was longer than expected. Like it took us like 9 hours to get here. But like I said, thank you Jesus for traveling grace. I had to, y'all see me go to Walmart, try to find a hot comb, couldn't find it, y'all. And then we found this Hesto, or this beauty supply store. Y'all, it was so dope in there. Like it was like a mall, like a Walmart. That was like the biggest Hesto I ever been to. They had so much dope stuff in there for cheap. So I told y'all I had to get a hot comb. So I got a hot comb to lay my wig down, and I just got some nail polish to polish my toes because I'm not gonna have time tomorrow to go get them done, and didn't have time to go get them done before I left home. So gotta paint my own toes. Y'all hear them twins cutting up like that? Like, what are they talking about like that? But we got McAllister's for dinner. It was so good. I had a salad, y'all. I love Caesar salads and salmon. Like, that's my thing. Like, I love McAllister's, and of course I had to get. Yeah, what is they talking about? Yo. But then I got a strawberry lemonade. When I tell you that strawberry lemonade was the truth, they didn't owe me nothing. So y'all, I'm just about that. I gotta do my hair because I'm not gonna have time to do my hair tomorrow because the party starts for 3 in the morning. I gotta get up, of course, gotta go get their breakfast downstairs. We have to go look for shoes for my nieces because couldn't find no shoes today. Like, it was a lot. So I'm just about to do my hair. I might change my wig and blow my other wig out like I showed y'all. I don't know, but whatever I decide to do, y'all gonna see whenever it's done or partially done, okay? Alright, y'all, it's currently 12 o'clock in the morning, and all I wind up doing to my hair is reinstalling the wig. I took it off, cleaned the lace, and reinstalled it. That's all. As y'all can see, it's melting, and I might have to go over it, fix it, camouflage it up, put a little foundation on it in the morning. But that's that. And I'm wore black. You hear me? I'm so tired. So I'm about to go to sleep and get up, because guys know I'm getting up at 7 o'clock on a dot when their breakfast open. I'm gonna be in that line because I don't like hotel breakfast. I don't like waiting. Like, I like to get there early before too many people get up and germ, COVID, monkeypox. Like, it's just not giving it. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep, y'all.
7 hours later.
Good morning from Dallas. Good morning.
Hey,
It's the view of the cars and the view of the McDonald's. Wait, Leah.
It's the Popeye
The view of the stores over there, view of Kohl's over there, McDonald's, IHOP, the gas station, the cars down here. This is our morning view, okay? Alright, y'all, good morning, good morning. How you slept last night, Grandma?
Down. Your pussy roll won't be going down, Kennedy.
How you slept last night, Grandma?
Slept very well last night.
Yo, my grandma knew. Them twins was cutting up all night. They kept on waking up. They was crying. It was irritable.
And Riley kept beating on the bed.
Yeah.
Waking
Riley.
the neighbors up.
Yes. Kaylee, how you slept last night, Faye?
Good.
How you slept last night, Kim? No, she didn't. They not telling the truth because Kennedy was one, just regular one. No, dog. Kennedy was sleeping in a chair. She was in the bed with us. Then she walked moving in a chair. But and get some breakfast. She still thinks she a baby. Kaylee. She still thinks she a baby. She want me to hold her. Yeah. Yeah, my baby going to the bathroom. You going to the bathroom, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a big girl. I can't take you. Oh my God, I love you so much.
Ain't I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, RBO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it.
We have coffee, the boy. Gotta have her coffee.
And my bagel.
And her baby. It's good, Faye? It's good?
I don't know.
You know I'm vlogging.
Oh. Yeah.
Cover your mouth, okay? Alright, y'all. Yeah, I've been looking bummy throughout the whole vlog. But now we're at Target because I have to find shoes for this little girl and Kaylee so we can wear to the party. I swear, this it's not even a really, it don't even feel like a trip for real. And I don't know where nothing at in here because everything is different, like from at home. So I don't know why I'm.
Look at the slides.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I am looking at the signs. Come on, so why I don't look at the signs?
I said you gotta look at the slides.
I just said I'm looking at the signs. I still don't know what nothing is. Yo, it's just a mess. I guess I'm gonna come back whenever we get find these shoes. Alright, y'all. So we're in the car. Yo, I have my Saints shirt on, and she won't have her Saints shirt on. Like she won't be letting me store there. But we crab and bar. Oh, that sounds so good. I think we're gonna do something family wise tonight. We are. My children are saying. But anyways, now I gotta go in H&M, y'all. You think Old Navy be cheaper? Yeah, Old Navy. And gotta find Kaylee some shoes because Target didn't have anything for her.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer. Shawty flap it, shawty tight it. Should stay dip all night it. With you, I missed you. Picture it, now it's time I get back up with you, girl.
Hey y'all, so now look, so I'm about to install a wig. It's a curly wig, it's a closure. You know my cousin, but we about to yeah, I'm just about to install her hair, and I might just wind curl it right quick. She is 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's that on it. So y'all about to see me install her hair, cause we gotta go the party in 2 hours, and I don't know. Kaylee over there getting her hair done. It's giving barber shopping.
Oh, with you, oh yeah, we used to kick it up at the park. Now she's all grown up. Rocking them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonia, it was Tonya, it was Monique, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is I wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home.
Baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soldier boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me. I need you in my life. Yeah, all day, every day I need you. And every time I see you.
Baby boy, say I'm not good, you feel my pain.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time, and see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
That was cute.
And without my face,
Come on, girl, tell me.
Okay, let me see your face. So cute. It's the gang. Period.
I was just holding Kylie, baby.
Hey, Ronald.
It's not tears. You know what they are? Joy. Appreciation. Having the dress I'm wearing? Just because my name is Violet, I didn't wear it because of that. I wore it because of Violet. It's my God. Built this world. And then he blessed me. All right. With all you loved ones.
Y'all look a mess. The party was nice. Like 90 released a milestone. So of course it wasn't like no turn up party, but it was like nice. I guess my baby back there, she don't feel good. Look at her bowl just didn't last.
Miss Ken over here.
My boy knocked out.
Miss Ken over here.
All right, but I didn't really care for the food like that, so I'm gonna have to give me something to eat.
Girl, that food was nasty.
Yeah, I didn't really care for the food. Wait. So I gotta give me something.
Ooh, I wish I
So
gonna get some glory.
me and my cousins gonna have a girls' night tonight.
Like a margarita.
Like girls' night / boys' night because boys gonna be there. So, yo, me and my cousins gonna have like a girls' night. Well, a cousin's night. Let's just say that. And yeah, I gotta give me something to eat. I might get Whataburger because y'all know that's my favorite. If you don't know, you now you know. And we don't got that at home. So I gotta take these lashes off. I'm getting a headache. I don't know. I think I'm sleepy though. All right, y'all. It's time to go. How did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, we did. We enjoyed ourselves. Aunt Polly's 9th birthday party was really a blessing.
Yeah, I can't
She
wait.
looked it so beautiful.
All right, my grandma gonna be next to turn 90.
I have a long way.
Yeah, she had a long way to go. Kelly.
But you're invited to my 70th birthday party.
Yeah, my grandma got 2 years, yo. It's got 2 years. Kelly.
Huh?
You enjoyed yourself?
No.
Yo, why?
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you did. Yo, she was sick the whole time, so that's probably why she didn't enjoy herself. You came inside and went to sleep.
No, I'm not. That's the night.
At nighttime you did, but you went to sleep though. And you was asleep at the whole party, y'all. She slept the whole party. I'm gonna insert a picture. She slept. Talking about she just slept at night.
It's hot in the party.
It was hot in the party?
Yeah.
Because you had a fever.
I seen the balloon.
Yeah, but it was hot in the party because you had a fever.
Like that.
No, whatever. King, you enjoyed yourself? Yo, she got fussed at the whole time. But you did. You got a whole thing of sparkling cider. You got huh?
My turn.
Alright, you got Polaroid film and all that. Rado, you enjoyed yourself, thicker man? You said, Yo, they waste juice in the bed. Kylie, you better come to the... Kylie, did you enjoy yourself, mommy? Good morning. Don't hit her. You enjoyed yourself, Joy? No, she not worried about nobody. You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, too early to go back home.
She says to her.
Alright, y'all, so obviously I am back home. I have to do the outro now. But I just gotta catch y'all up on the trip. The trip really was nice. Like I said, it wasn't no turn up trip, even though it could have been. But the time went by so fast. Like, oh my god. The time went by so fast. We still had to go shopping for the kids. I had to do my sister's hair. I had to do my hair. Like, and that road trip was long. So most of the day it was like cut up. Like, it was cut off because we was riding Friday. But when I tell you I'm never driving again to Dallas, I probably won't ever drive. If I'm driving to Dallas again, something gotta be in it for me because I'm not used to long road trips. Like, I'm just not used to it. But it was really nice. Most of my family, like, I either haven't seen in years and don't remember them, like my cousins and stuff, or I just never met. So like, that's really bad when you don't know some of your family. But it's just, I'm just sticking with my A1s since day ones, because you know, like, they live in Dallas, I'm out here, so it's kind of like hard. And you know, like, one of my cousins, Shalita, I haven't seen her since I was like 8, 9, 10, like 8, 9 or 10. So it's been a long time. So seeing her, seeing like her kids, though I never met her kid, it was everything. But overall, I love Dallas. Dallas is a pretty city. It kind of reminds me of Houston a lot. But y'all, I've been looking busted throughout the whole video. I couldn't really record because just too much was going on. I was tired. I had a headache. But yeah. So I guess that's just the end of this quick little vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because these videos are coming back. So